What's up, all Power Ice Crew? Today's video, we got something short and sweet for you. Is your rig equipped with open differentials, or does it have limited slip? Today, short and sweet, going to show you how to tell the difference. 2006 model TJ, we're going to show you guys the difference between an open differential and a limited slip. Do a little brake check stuff right here. Come to find out there's nothing wrong, just dirty inside there. But Wayne's on the other side. He's going to turn the wheel forward and watch what happens. See, this one rolls forward. What does that mean to you? That is a limited slip differential. This is a 2006 TJ Sport, and this right here has a Dana 44 rear. So with the limited slip differentials, if you turn the wheel forward, it goes forward. If you turn the wheel backward, it goes backward. Take your rig out of gear, make sure it's in neutral. You'll be able to turn the axle to see that. Now we're going to go up front and check it. Here we are on the front. Is it open differential or is it limited slip? We're going to find out. Wayne's going to kick that tire. Look at that. Driver's side's not turning, passenger side's turning, driver's side's not. What does that mean, folks? That's right, we got open differential in the front. Now if I could just talk my daddy to put the locker in the front. He's laughing at me. I don't think it's going to happen. So there you go. That's how you tell the difference between limited slip diffs and open diffs. Sometimes on an open differential, whenever you turn one side, the other side turns backwards. In this case, no, the other side didn't turn at all. So that is one of the caveats to open differentials. In this case, one side did not turn at all. Most cases on a rear differential, like on my 91 model that you guys see in the videos the most, if I spin the rear tire, the opposite side will go the other side. So if I spin the passenger side forward, the driver's side will turn backwards. That's a sign of an open differential as well. So to recap, if that tire was spinning like this toward the front and the other side was spinning toward the front, limited slip. Anything less, you have an open diff. Peace out. Told you, quick and simple. So if you like that video, hit me with a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, leave us cool comments down below. Appreciate you hanging out. Peace. Later, y'all.